Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Green Tandoori Chicken. For first marination, take 100 grams curd, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Pinch of chaat masala. Combine all the ingredients well. Add 1 tablespoon butter or ghee. Combine well. Add 1 tablespoon tandoori masala. Mix well. Squeeze some lemon. Combine well. Add chicken legs. Gashes on chicken legs. Rub the masala well. Apply the masala in cuts. Coat the legs in the marination well. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Preparing second marination, take handful of fresh coriander, some mint leaves, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies. Add chaat masala as per taste. Add some lemon juice. You can also add some cashews and teaspoon of sesame seeds, blend it. Take marinated chicken. Add 2 tablespoons cream. Pour green chutney that we have prepared earlier. Pinch of green food color. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Rub the masala well. Apply masala properly. Apply the masala in cuts. Coat the cavity well with the masala. You can give it a coal smoke here. Wrap with cling film. Second marination takes 15 minutes. Now take an air fryer basket. Place parchment paper. Place wire rack. Spray some cooking oil. Place chicken legs on the wire rack. Again, spray some oil on chicken. We are going to pop them in a preheated air fryer. Turn on the air fryer. Bake at 195 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. You can also bake in oven or pan fry. Check in between. Flip in halfway through. Baking time may vary depending on the type or size of the air fryer. Again, pop them in. Air fry them for the remaining time. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. Check in between. Again, air fry them for the remaining time. Our green tandoori chicken is cooked well. Turn off the air fryer. Place burning charcoal on it. Drizzle some oil. Give it a charcoal smoke for 2 minutes. Discard the charcoal. Green tandoori chicken is ready to enjoy. It's time to plate. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Squeeze some lemon. Serve with salad. Our Hariyali Pahadi Tandoori Chicken is incredibly tender, juicy and moist. Let me show you the other tandoori leg. Look how juicy and moist it is. Each bite bursts with flavors. Do try this super delicious green tandoori chicken leg recipe and share your valuable feedback with us in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.